Okay, so in this video, we will be discussing regulatory agencies or government agencies na medyo related to the accounting profession or the accountancy profession. Okay, so first we have the Professional Regulation Commission. So kapag nakagraduate ka na ng accountancy, nakapag-take ka na ng board exam, and you pass the licensure examination, pag naging CPA ka na, so you will be under the PRC, kailangan mong kumuha ng ID from them, and kumbaga sila yung nagre-regulate ng lahat ng professions in the country, including the CPA license, okay? So, sila yung nagpo-promulgate ng mga laws pertaining to the profession. So, for us, we have the Accountancy Act of 2004, and then sila din yung nag-enforce ng mga professional ethics and standards for all the professions, okay, na available in the country. Secondly, we have the Board of Accountancy. Ang Board of Accountancy, under siya ng PRC. Kumbaga sila yung specific na nagmo-monitor or merong governance to the accountancy profession, lahat ng registered CPAs in the country. So, sila yung may jurisdiction. Okay? So, in charge din sila sa pag-conduct ng licensure examination. And then, sila rin yung in charge sa pag-regulate ng practice of accountancy. Okay? So, if merong mga anomalies or complaints to certain CPA, so normally sa kanila binibigay yung complaints na yon. Okay? And then, sila yung magde-decide whether to impose penalties or revocation ng license to those individuals. Okay? So, ang Board of Accountancy, there's the chairman, the vice chairman, and then they have 5 members. And then we have thirdly, the Financial Reporting Standards Council. So, kumbaga, sila yung nagke-create ng, accounting standards na ini-implement at na siyang susundan ng mga CPA practitioners. Okay? So, ang FRSC ay created din ng PRC, tapos recommended by the Board of Accountancy. Okay? So, kumbaga under sila ng Board of Accountancy naman. And then we have fourth is the Securities and Exchange Commission. Ang SEC, normally sila ang nagmo-monitor ng mga partnerships and corporations in the country. And since part ng kanilang governance is yung fair presentation ng financial statements, so they work closely with accountants and auditors. So sila yung nag-regulate ng business operations and partnerships, corporations, and foundations. Okay? And then as CPAs na, if kayo yung, accountant ng business na yon, then you would have to submit the financial statements to the SEC. Okay? Or kung kayo naman yung auditor ng company, edi ganun din, you have to submit reports to the SEC. Okay? Next, we have Cooperative Development Authority. So, sila naman yung in charge sa pag-regulate ng business operations ng cooperatives. Okay? So, if you're a CPA or auditor ng isang cooperative, so you'd have to deal with Cooperative Development Authority or CDA. Next, we have, of course, the Bureau of Internal Revenue, BIR, in charge with the collection of taxes at, of course, pag-promulgate or pag-implement din ng mga tax laws natin, rules, and regulations. Okay? So, if you're a CPA or an auditor, if you're employed by a private company, and then, of course, you have to comply with the tax laws, make sure na ang company ay nagpa-file ng tax returns and nagbabayad ng tax dues. Okay? Next, we have Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas or BSP. Sila naman ang nag-regulate ng mga operations ng mga banks and other financial institutions in the country. So, if you're a CPA or auditor working with banks or financial institutions, then you must know itong mga rules and regulations ng BSP for banks. Okay? And then lastly, we have the Philippine Institute of Certified Public Accountants, PICPA. So, if you're a CPA, ito yung ating tinatawag na, accredited professional organization ng mga CPAs. Under siya, I'm not sure, parang under pa rin siya ng BOA, okay? Nare-regulate siya ng BOA, Board of Accountancy din. Okay, ang primary objective nito is, of course, to improve the quality of services rendered by CPA practitioners in collaboration with BOA and FRSC. Okay, kasi diba yung FRSC, tagagawa ng accounting standards or accounting rules na gagamitin ng mga CPAs. Okay, under its umbrella are yung mga other accredited associations ng CPAs in relation dun sa 4 fields of accounting. So we have, diba, academe. So we have Association of CPAs in Education. And then for government accounting, mga CPAs natin na nagtatrabaho in the government, we have government associations of CPAs. And then para dun sa mga employed in private companies, we have Association of CPAs in Commerce and Industry. And then lastly, for CPAs in public practice or mga nagtatrabaho sa accounting firms, we have Association of CPAs in Public Practice. Okay? Pinaka-main na professional organization ng CPAs would be the PICPA, Philippine Institute of Certified Public Accountants, and then under niya yung 4 na for the different fields of accounting or the different sectors ng accountancy. Alright, so that's it for this video. We had the government regulatory agencies. We have the PRC, Board of Accountancy, FRSC, SEC, CDA, BIR, Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, and then we have the PICPA. Okay, so that's it. Thanks and bye.